Hey my lovelies, and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video guys, we'll be cleaning our family room, and here Huzzy is just wiping down the ceiling for me. Yes guys, he's doing a good job wiping it down. It's very dirty guys. Ugh, it's so embarrassing, but anyways, he's wiping it down for me. And over here, this couch, I'm just showing you that I will be deep cleaning this couch also. I'm going to be using some bleach and soap and water, my microfiber cloth, and I will be deep cleaning it. On camera guys, it doesn't look that dirty, but in real life, oh, it's so disgusting. So definitely gonna give it a cleanup. So I'm also showing you that we remove the table from in the living room and put it in this family area. I think it was once in here before, but because I love to change things, I had removed it and now it's back. I love to, yeah, like I said, I love to redecorate and decorate and all that. Yes, Ozzy is wiping down the ceiling and he's doing an excellent job, guys. Yes, he is. So after he's finished, I will be, wiping down the couch, and he's gonna help me at one point because you can see I was I was so tired. I had a tongue twisting moment just now. I was so tired when I was cleaning down the couch, guys, and Jose had to step in and, help me, and I was really grateful because it looks easy when I was thinking about it, guys, to do it. It looks so easy. It was like, oh, it's a 1-2. But after I started wiping it down, I was so tired, and then I had to get the brush and start scrubbing it. But enough said, I'll let you watch and then you'll see for yourself. Thanks for tuning in. I hope you feel motivated, guys, while you're watching this video to just, get something done that you were probably was putting off, and just let us clean together. So this is going to be, I think it's part 3 or 4 of the Christmas prep. So yes guys, we're just prepping our house for the Christmas. So we also want to paint the wall to white, but that's for another video, guys. So like I said, oh, right there Ozzy was trying to take that light thing, that switch thing out of the ceiling, but it wasn't coming out because the previous owners, they that's where the light was, the bulb was, but it's basically connected different in the house now. So here is washing out the microfiber cloth to just give a ceiling another wipe and stuff. Yes, so that's what we're doing, guys, and enough said, stay tuned.
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Turn this room, turn it to an ocean. Let me float around.
Okay guys, so right now I'll be doing the couch. I'm gonna remove these cushions, but first guys, in this wash bucket here I have some water, and I put some fab in it, fab soap, and I'm gonna put some bleach in it, guys. I'm also gonna use this is a bathroom cleaner, foaming bathroom cleaner, but it smells really good, so I'm gonna use it in the water also. And I'm gonna use some Downy. After which, that's for the rinsing parts too. After I use the soap and all of that in the couch, I'm gonna use the Downy to, give it a little fresh smell. So that's where we're at now, guys. Let's get started. Let me remove these things. I'm also gonna take these out because these ones can take off and wash, but I'm not gonna wash them today because it's It's not raining right now, but we have been rain, so I'm not gonna wash these right now. I'm gonna wash them another day. So I'm just gonna remove these. And the seatings, they're not really dirty because they were washed recently.
Fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Turn this room, turn it to an ocean. Let me float around. Eyes closed, like we're dreaming even when we're not. You and me got a whole other meaning, I don't know how. You and me just know how it feels when we're falling in love. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. But we can do nothing at all. So what? If you're stupid then you know it's nothing wrong. You and me got a whole other meaning, I don't know how. You and me just know how it feels when we're falling in love. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you.
Okay guys, so that's one arm. And I'm actually so tired already. This is not 1, 2, 3. This is like 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. I'm tired. I'm tired. Whew. It's working me. But anyways, it has to be done. And it is looking so much better already. So much cleaner. So I'm going to let that, I'm thinking I should spray some, I'm going to try. Just spray some bleach on it. Spray some bleach over it, guys. Then use a cloth and wipe it. Leave that so the bleach can do its thing. And then I move on to the next part. Because this is only going to be like wiping down this couch like probably every 6 months or so. Yeah, because the last time I did it was about 6 months ago. So that's why I needed another clean up. Yep. So let's try spray put some more bleach on it, guys, and see. And you know this, guys, this couch is not going to be able to be used for the next, say, 3 or so days for it to be fully dried.
You're mine for sure.
So now guys, we have almost completed the cleaning of the couch. I'm telling you right now, we are basically moving on slow-mo because we are so tired. But guys, to see how clean the couch was, it was worth it. So here guys, Junior was just trying to use the blow dryer to see if he could dry the couch a little faster, but at one point he gave up because he said it was, taking too long.
I begin to I begin to
this, guys. So dirty. So Ozzy's cleaning it up for me. We're gonna have to wash it. Clean out all these parts. Yep. Vacuum suck up all sorts of dust and gunk and dirt and everything. So guys, vacuum have to be cleaned, because if I don't clean it out, then all of these dust and something blow back into the house and then start affecting my sinus and something. So I took up all the piece of carpet. Keep tearing up the carpet when it itching in the brush. Mama. So Junior is always cleaning it out for me, guys. What is Daddy doing? He's cleaning out the vacuum for Mommy. For Mama? Mm-hmm. For Mama? For moi. Moi? Mama? So there you have it, guys. The family room all cleaned, the ceiling done, and the couch is still wet, guys. But like I said, it will take about 2 to 3 days before it's completely dried. And as soon as this dried, I'll put back the cushions and then I'll decorate it, guys. And the carpet was also cleaned. So the family room is looking up, guys. It's looking up. I can't wait for the Christmas holiday to come around so I can really decorate this place. And I also want to paint the walls like I said before. But enough said, guys. Thank you so very much for watching today's video. And if you've enjoyed today's video, please give it a thumbs up and share with your families and friends. And please consider subscribing to our channel. We would really appreciate it. And we appreciate all who have subscribed to our channel and watch our videos. Many blessings, and enjoy the rest of your morning, your afternoon, your evening, or your night.